This is his second book of fiction, and it's called The Ancient Nine. It is amazing. He gave me a copy of The Galleys about 3 months ago.
Yeah.
It took you years to write this one.
25 years.
Amazing.
25 years.
Okay, let me explain. Because this book is about the secret societies at Harvard. They're called the Final Clubs. They were started back in the 1700s. There were 9 of them, and very powerful, wealthy people belonged to these clubs. And I, as a very blue-collar African-American kid, got punched, which means, asked to possibly join one of these very exclusive clubs. I knew nothing about it, by the way. Everything is secret. They gave me an invitation in the middle of the night under my door, and I read this thing, and it said, the president and members of the Delphic Club invite you to a cocktail party. And I'm like, cocktail party? I didn't know what a cocktail party was, like a cocktail party. So then, 2 days later, I found out that it was punch season, and so one of these clubs invited me to join this thing, this Final Club, this secret society, and it was crazy. So I started writing it then because I realized as a teenager that this was a story I wanted to tell one day.